The transformation of Camp Nou continues to reach new heights, with major progress taking place across the stadium. From the preparation of the new pitch to the advancement of the compression ring, third tier, and VIP areas, every section is moving closer to the vision of the future Camp Nou. Today, we take a look at the latest updates from this historic renovation project. The pitch area at Camp Nou has entered an important preparation phase, with the previous playing surface completely removed and the ground now being carefully processed and leveled. Workers are preparing the field for the next major step, which will be the arrival and installation of the new turf in large rolls. This process will bring the iconic playing surface back to the stadium and mark another visible milestone in the renovation progress. The entire area is being carefully adjusted to ensure the new pitch meets the required standards before the final installation begins. Work continues across the third-tier areas, with teams focusing on structural finishing, access systems, and preparation for upcoming installations. Platforms, support structures, and technical components are still being completed in different sections as the upper levels move closer to their final configuration. Additional work is also continuing around stairways, service areas, and technical zones to prepare the third tier for its final stage. The progress in these areas is helping shape the final appearance of the renovated stadium. Progress continues on the compression ring structure, where new radial beams and box sections are being installed around the stadium. In the south and north goal areas, smaller compression ring segments are now being added to complete the remaining sections and maintain the installation pace. These massive structural elements require precise positioning and strong connections with support pillars, bringing the future roof structure closer to its final form. Each new installation represents another important step toward completing the stadium's unique roof support system. The VIP area continues to show steady progress, with materials being transported and interior works advancing throughout this premium section. This area remains one of the key priorities of the project, as the new VIP facilities will play an important role in the stadium's future operation. Workers are continuing preparations inside these spaces, focusing on completing structural and finishing details. Every completed element brings Camp Nou closer to delivering a modern and enhanced matchday experience for visitors. Work continues to progress steadily in the south goal section, where another small compression ring box has been successfully installed. The project has now entered a phase focused on placing smaller box sections between the previously completed radial beams, allowing the compression ring to gradually take its final shape. At the same time, crews continue preparing the surrounding structure for the next installations, with additional radial beams and future support pillars expected to follow. A major development has taken place in the south goal sector with the beginning of louver support installation. After remaining inactive for a long period, workers have now started installing the support brackets beneath the structural beams. Several supports are already in place, marking the first visible progress toward the future ceramic louver facade installation. Remaining areas still require preparation and painting before the complete system can be installed. The south goal mobility core remains in the preparation stage. Interior sandwich panels are already installed in some sections, while exterior sandwich panels and lower facade elements are still pending. Workers continue carrying out finishing activities around the structure before moving into the next installation phase. LED lighting installation continues along the completed louver sections in the lateral area. The lighting fixtures positioned above the ceramic louvers will create the final illuminated appearance of the stadium facade during night events. Workers are continuing technical adjustments around these areas while additional lighting sections will be installed as more louver panels are completed. This system will become one of the most noticeable exterior features of the renovated stadium. Installation of sandwich panels continues on the second level, with most of the upper section already covered. The remaining unfinished areas are being completed using lifting equipment positioned around the structure. These panels are gradually closing the exterior sections and improving the overall appearance of the facade. Work continues steadily as crews move toward completing this level. Tower crane activity continues across the stadium, supporting the movement and installation of heavy structural materials. The crane remains essential for lifting compression ring components, construction equipment, and other elements required at higher levels. Its continuous operation allows different work areas to progress simultaneously. Material handling remains a key part of the current construction phase. The lateral mobility core remains in a slower progress phase compared with other sections of the stadium. While the main structural supports are already installed, additional sandwich panels, facade elements, and finishing work are still required. Preparation continues around this area before the next installation steps can begin. Once these elements are completed, this mobility core will gradually match the progress of the surrounding sections. Preparation work continues around the lateral louver installation areas. Workers are adjusting and securing the support brackets while ceramic louver panels have already arrived on site and are being prepared for installation. The mounting areas are being checked and finalized before the panels are placed into their final positions. This indicates that louver installation will soon expand into this section. The north goal sector has shown major progress with ceramic louver installation. Most of the louver panels in the main section are now installed, with only a few remaining pieces left to complete this area. The speed of installation over the last few days has created a major visual change in this part of the stadium. Additional louver materials remain stored nearby, allowing work to continue without delays. The north goal corner is now entering the preparation phase for louver installation. The first ceramic louver panels have already arrived in this area, while the mounting anchors are prepared and ready for the next step. Around the mobility core, workers continue painting and finishing structural elements before sandwich panels, and additional facade components can be installed. This corner is expected to see visible progress soon as installation moves forward. Finishing work continues around the north goal mobility core, with crews preparing the structural beams and support areas before the next installation phase. Most of the support system is already completed, while some remaining brackets and finishing details are still being finalized. Work continues in the grandstand area around the louver support system. Workers are completing adjustments and preparation on the mounting structures to ensure the supports are correctly aligned. These structures will later receive the ceramic louver panels that form part of the stadium's exterior facade. Sandwich panel installation continues in the grandstand section, with the upper areas progressing toward completion. Lifting equipment remains active around the structure, helping crews install the remaining panels and close unfinished facade sections. The installation of these panels is gradually improving the enclosure of the stadium exterior. A waterproofing test is currently being carried out on the newly completed concrete surface. Water has been placed across the area to verify that the waterproof membrane is functioning correctly and that no leaks appear before the final finishing layer is added. This testing phase is an important step before completing the upper surface. That wraps up today's Camp Nou renovation update. The stadium continues to make impressive progress, bringing us one step closer to the completion of this historic transformation. Thanks for watching, and we'll be back with more updates soon.